Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve chapter 3 triangle practice set 3.4 of class 9th. So question number 5 is given. Prove that an equilateral triangle is angulars. So here we have to prove that an equilateral triangle, it's a equilateral triangle, is equal angular. So here we'll start with whatever the given condition is given. So I'm going to write the solution. Here what is given? Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. This is the first given condition. Here we have to prove angle PQR is congruent to PRQ and PRQ is congruent to QPR. This we have to find out. So we'll start with solution. So here what given? Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Here segment PQ is congruent to segment PR. Okay. Segment PQ is congruent to segment PR because of isosceles triangle. So therefore we'll write angle PQR is congruent to angle PRQ. Reason will be isosceles triangle. Even you can write angle opposite to triangle. So here PQR is congruent to PRQ. Now segment QR is congruent to segment PR. Segment PR. Okay. Now here again angle QPR is congruent to angle PQR. Okay. Here as you can see, what is given? This is also isosceles triangle theorem. I have forgot to write here theorem. This is the first condition. This is the second condition. Isosceles triangle theorem. Okay. Even you can write angle opposite of triangle side. So we have proved that these two are congruent. Angle QPR is congruent to angle PQR. So therefore PQR, this is PQR, is congruent to angle PRQ and congruent to PRQ. Then QPR is also congruent. QPR. So we got from first and second condition. We have proved that angle PQR is congruent to PRQ and angle PRQ is congruent to QPR. I hope you understood. We have proved this angle. We have solved question number 5 of practice set 3.4. Now we are going to solve practice set 3.4 question number 6. Now question number 6 is given. Prove that if bisector of BAC of triangle ABC is perpendicular to side BC, then triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So we have to prove that this is an isosceles triangle. So we will start with given condition. So I am writing. So here given in triangle ABC, okay, in triangle ABC, ray AD is a bisector of angle BAC. This is what? This is a bisector of angle BAC. Now ray AD, this is ray AD, is perpendicular to side BC. It is perpendicular to side BC. It is clearly visible that it is perpendicular to side BC. Now we have to write in triangle ADC, this is ADC, and triangle ADB. Angle ADC is congruent to angle ADB. Okay, angle ADB is congruent to angle ADC. Reason will be each is 90-degree angle. Okay. Now segment AD is congruent to segment AD. Segment AD is congruent to segment AD because of common side. Reason is common side. Okay. Now what is given? Angle CAD is congruent to BAD. Angle CAD is congruent to angle BAD. Okay, it's given. It's both are congruent. Now here triangle ADC is congruent to angle ADB. Triangle ADB. Reason is by ASA test. Okay, side angle test. Now here segment AC is congruent to segment AB. AC is congruent to AB. Reason is corresponding side of congruent triangle. In short also you can write CSST like that, but I am writing so that you should understand clearly corresponding side of congruent triangle. Now as you can see, now we have proved that all sides properly. Now we can write that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, we have proved triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with the help of this example. Please follow the step. Each and every step is very important, and plus write the correct reason so that it is clearly understood by each one. So here as you can see, we have solved question number 6. Now we are going to solve question number 7 of practice at 3.4. Now question number 7 is given in figure 3.50. If segment PR is congruent to segment PQ, segment PR is congruent to segment PQ, show that segment PS is also PS is greater than segment PQ. So we have to show that PS is greater than PQ. So we'll start with given condition. First, in triangle PQR, this is our triangle PQR. Segment PR is congruent to segment PQ. Okay, so it is a given condition. It's already given in question itself. So it's a given condition. Now, therefore, angle PQR is congruent to PRQ. PQR is congruent to PR. PQR is congruent to PRQ. Reason is isosceles triangle. Okay. Now therefore angle PRQ is an exterior angle of triangle PRS. It is the exterior angle of PRS. Now therefore angle PRQ is greater than PSR. Angle PSR. Okay. Now next step, here angle PQR is greater than PSR. Again PSR. Okay. Now here again angle PQS is greater than PSQ. PQS is greater than PSQ. Angle PSQ. Reason is in same line. Okay. So now in triangle PQS, this is PQS, angle PQS is greater than PSQ. Okay. Now therefore segment PS is greater than segment PQ. Reason is the opposite sides of angle, opposite side of greatest angle is greatest. Okay, opposite angle of greatest angle is greatest. We have proved segment PS is greater than segment PQ. We have solved question number 7. Now we are going to solve question number 8 and the last question of practice set 3.4. Now question number 8 is given in figure 3.51. In triangle ABC, segment AD and segment BE are altitude and AE is equal to BD. Prove that segment AD is congruent to segment BE. Segment AD is congruent to segment BE. So we'll start with given solution. Now in triangle ABD and triangle BAE. So here ABD, okay, and BAE. Two triangles we have taken. Here segment AE, this is AE, it's congruent to BD. It's congruent to segment BD. This is the given condition. Okay. Now hypo AB is congruent to hypo AB. So hypo AB is congruent to hypo AB. Reason is common side. Okay. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to BAE. Is congruent to triangle BAE by hyposide test. By hyposide test. Okay. Now we can write segment AD is congruent to segment BE. Segment BE. Reason is corresponding side of congruent triangle. Okay. Now we have proved that segment AD is congruent to segment BE with the help of given example. I hope you understood practice set 3.4 of chapter 3 triangle. So please follow the steps, practice it. Please practice it steps clear. Once you practice this, your concept will be clear. Follow the step, follow the formula, and write the correct reason beside this. And presentation is very important in this geometry. If you present step by step clearly with reason, you will get good marks. I hope you understood what I am saying. If you like my channel, please share and subscribe. Thank you.